Okay, today I want to talk about a web tool called Symphonical. Symphonical is a productivity management suite that's free of charge. There is a premium version that has no ads, but it's basically a virtual whiteboard that allows you to post virtual sticky notes to a space to assign tasks to get things done in a more user-friendly, aesthetically pleasing environment. So the first thing you got to do is go to symphonical.com, and that will bring us to this page here. And you can use it on the iPad, you can use it on your phone, and you can see kind of how this thing looks when it's being used to its fullest extent. So you have little pictures of individuals here, you have tasks you've completed, and the different colors represent different priorities. So to sign up for this thing, first thing you got to do is click on Sign Up. And you can connect with Google, Facebook, or your email. I'm going to try this with Google and just see what this does for me. I'm going to hit accept. It can view my email address and my basic information. And that gets me to this page, this sort of tour page. And again, the most important things that I want to point out here is that this thing works with your, like a virtual whiteboard. It's great for teamwork, and the most, I think, collaborative aspect of this is that it works great with Google Hangout. So you can be talking with a group of up to 10 people, and as you do that, assign tasks to this virtual whiteboard. So let's take a look at how this thing works. First thing they'll show me is like a quick tour. So it says this tutorial introduces the main features of Symphonical in just a few easy steps. So let's take a look. So we can drag and drop these notes anywhere on the board, okay? And you can see it's very kind of cartoonish, and it makes it for easy, moving around, and it's very aesthetically pleasing. So it makes it nice. We can change the status of these sticky notes by dragging to another columns. Again, we have in progress, completed, uncategorized. I can change these things, and I can really add my own if I want to. If I go in between this little plus sign that comes up, and the same is true for the actual color. So if I want to change what this means or what this says, or if I want to add one right here, I can add one in between. Again, the point of this whole thing is to create workflow. So I click on this twice to open my note, and then I can write a task in here, upload files, set a date, and I can also mark it as finished. So, I want to say, not finished, finished now, whatever. And all of my walls then I can view right here. Okay, so this pretty much shows you what the power of this thing can do. And again, you can use it in Google Hangout. This can even link with your Google Calendar, so you can create these things in a much more collaborative and animated view, and then link it to your Google Calendar, and it'll automatically update with the tasks you have to complete by a certain time. So hope that pretty much helped. That is pretty much how Symphonical works. It's a pretty simple little software, and again, there is a free version which I'm using right now, and there is a $5 a month premium version as well. So if you're interested in that, take a look. Okay, this is Mike West signing off.